In the heart of the wild, fearless operators battle nature's fury with heavy equipment at their side. Every move is life or death. Let's see how they survive the impossible. In the heart of the wild, fearless operators battle nature's fury with heavy equipment at their side. Every move is life or death. Let's see how they survive the impossible. The pressure is on. One wrong move could seal its fate. Can the mighty Caterpillar dump truck escape this heavy equipment nightmare? Trapped deep in the ditch, every action flirts with disaster. This isn't just a rescue, it's a brutal showdown of strength, skill, and heavy equipment coordination. The heavy equipment truck sinks deeper with every second, its wheels thrashing uselessly in the mud. Even the mighty Caterpillar is now trapped, powerless against the relentless grip of the soft ground. It's a chaotic, almost surreal scene, one you'd never believe if you weren't seeing it yourself. In moments like this, experience is everything. After the KMAZ truck slipped off the road, the T4 tow truck and a second rig were quickly dispatched. Thanks to their raw power and expert handling, the KMAZ was safely pulled from the snowy roadside. Wow, the test of the K-12 barrier system exceeded all expectations. The crash trial didn't just prove its effectiveness in ensuring safety, it showcased the system's unmatched durability and raw stopping power. A true triumph in protective engineering. Oh no! What do you think about transporting heavy loads on this challenging road? Every step of the machine is filled with tension as it faces obstacles and rugged terrain. Will it make it through? Keep following to find out. All results are real. They're handling these machines with razor-sharp precision, a perfect dance of balance and control. The excavators 6OI and Doosan 145K execute every move with calculated intent. One wrong move could spell disaster. And then, with a thunderous roar, the building comes crashing down. Driving a bulldozer in the snow, loading it onto a truck for long-distance transport is a tough challenge. The operator faces slippery roads, and every movement requires absolute precision and skilled technique to maintain balance. They carefully adjust speed and steering angles, always staying alert to avoid any risk of slipping. The excavator is getting ready to climb onto the low loader. Will it conquer the challenge, or will an unexpected failure occur? Focus and don't blink, because you won't want to miss this moment. Don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts and share your opinion. Wow, nothing can stop the monster mini excavator Vio 80 as it powerfully climbs the steep mountain gap. With its superior strength and flexibility, this excavator easily conquers any tough terrain, showcasing its outstanding power. Think about it. The operator is carefully maneuvering the CAT excavator, maintaining perfect balance and controlling every movement. A slight mistake could lead to serious issues, and then this powerful excavator impressively manages to escape the deep hole. This Scania heavy equipment tow truck's hook lift system isn't just about brute strength, it's a masterclass in weight distribution and dynamic control. Every movement calls for razor-sharp precision. What's your take on this level of machine mastery? When it comes to powerful mobility, the Grove GMK 6300L is a prime example. With absolute precision, it demonstrates exceptional capability in lifting and moving heavy loads. This is not just a powerful machine, it also represents the technology that opens new transportation and trade routes, delivering high efficiency. This job is like an endless dance between danger and challenge. The Kobelco backhoe, Cat backhoe, and the 10-wheel Hino Victor recovery truck are working together in a rescue operation after the accident. These powerful machines are operating in sync, handling the emergency situation efficiently, and helping get the Hino Victor truck back on the road. Even when compared to modern equipment, its performance is still incredibly impressive. Watching it work, it's like witnessing the perfect blend of technique and finesse. Wow, look at that! This operator is truly a master. The excavator is unloading from the truck without the need for a ramp, a display of skill at its finest. Next up is an impressive performance that will keep your eyes glued to the scene. The powerful Caterpillar 315 excavator is lifted onto a classic peerless lowboy, with every movement showcasing absolute precision. It's a spectacle of technique and strength, one you definitely don't want to miss. Wow, the powerful Mack CH613 is towing a 110,000-pound lowboy, truly astounding with its superior strength. With impressive performance and durability, the Mack CH613 effortlessly handles the massive load, proving its top-tier capabilities. The KRAZ 255B1 truck, with its outstanding river-crossing ability, showcases its incredible strength and versatility. What do you think about its ability to overcome this challenge? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Oh wow, what an impressive sight! The Cat D8R excavator is being unloaded from the lowboy, with each movement precise and powerful. The combination of this machine's strength and the operator's skilled technique makes unloading look effortless. Truly remarkable. Using machines like excavators and bulldozers to connect spray pipes is a major step forward in accelerating the moving process and getting the job done. This combination not only saves time but also boosts work efficiency. Leave a comment with the number 1 if you think these machines help save time. When man and machine unite against nature's wrath, only the boldest emerge victorious. And this is just the beginning. Follow us to discover more jaw-dropping moments with the world's most extreme heavy equipment in action.